I love when people say, I'm codependent with my mother. I'm codependent with this person. I believe you're just codependent. And whatever is filling in at the time is filling in is literally showing up because it's a vibration related to, yeah. So it's not like I'm codependent here but not here. No, you're codependent.
Right.
That means the majority of your worth is coming from the outside in. And that's what it really is in a nutshell, that I get my meaning, my existence in life pouring and serving you. And if I'm not serving you and breaking my back to serve you, then who am I?
Yeah.
You see it with mothers who have empty nest syndromes and leaders and nurses and doctors. Doctors take oath to serve and pour into you at the detriment of themselves. So that's what codependency is I'm going back because I'm doing the right thing and serving you and everybody. And I hope you guys appreciate it, which most of the time they don't. And I hope eventually you pour back into me, and that doesn't happen.
Yeah.
And you go bye-bye.
Yeah.
So I will say yes.
Yeah.
The majority of the world is set up that way because 100% of us are born what we call value-centered. And so you're correct, because no one comes in this world outside of that. We all come into this world value-centered.
Right.
Yes, and that is the operating system that leads to codependency every time. It's just, as you get older, it strangles you and entangles. I call it entanglements, right?
Yeah.
It tangles you up and just starts squeezing you. All of a sudden, you get overwhelmed by the strangulation of codependency.
The succinct definition of codependency that you gave was the addiction to the values. For the person who's thinking, what's wrong with my values? What's wrong with valuing family? What's wrong with valuing my religious community? What's wrong with valuing my work or money? Or what's wrong with that? What's the game's answer to that?
I love that question. Nothing. Because it's not right or wrong. It just is. We all start off in this world value-centered, and value-centered works until it stops working. Welcome. My name is Coach Day, and I'm the architect of the Your Day Balance Game, also known as the YDBG, where the objective is to make every day your day. Now, if you really enjoyed that video, then press that button and subscribe, and also hit that notification, because every week when we release these videos, we can learn how to go from codependent to true independent, so you start living a life that you're truly worth. I look forward to seeing the game, and remember, make every day your day.